Another innocent Kashmiri youth has fallen to the bullets of the Indian troops in occupied Kashmir. The youth was injured due to the firing of the troops during a cordon and search operation in Budal area of the Rajouri district. The troops had martyred another youth in the area on the same day. All parties Hurriyat Conference has condemned the continued incidents of the human rights violations and house raids by the Indian troops in the occupied Kashmir. APHC leaders at a meeting in Srinagar said the continued Indian military's violent acts and the bloodshed pose threat to the Kashmiris. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency today raided several houses in different areas of the occupied Kashmir. Dreaded NIA, accompanied by the Indian paramilitary and police personnel, raided the houses in different areas of Kulgam, Shopian, Kupwara and the Jammu district. The raids were going on till last reports came in. Indian troops arrested two youth in the Baramulla district. The Indian Army's Rashtriya Rifles during a cordon and search operation arrested Manzoor Ahmed and Tanveer Ahmed in Sher Colony Sopore area of the district. The Indian Army, dubbing them supporters of Mujahideen, claimed that 2 grenades and 8 rounds of the pistol were recovered from them. Chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Youth Social Forum, Maulana Musab Nadwi, has said that the unresolved Kashmir dispute is the main cause of tension between Pakistan and India. Maulana Musab Nadwi, addressing Jummah prayers in Sopore today, said continued illegal detention of the Hurriyat leaders and the youth could not intimidate the leadership into submission. The Indian police authorities booked a youth under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act in the Bandipora district. The police authorities booked Maqsood Ahmed for his continued stance and demand for the right to self-determination. President of Indian National Congress chapter in occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Waqar Rasoolwani, has said that Congress is capable of defeating fake narratives and will ensure the defeat of BJP's policies. Waqar Rasoolwani, addressing a rally in Banihal, said Congress party has served the people and will continue to fight for the democratic institutions. As the Indian Supreme Court continues hearing the petitions challenging the abrogation of Article 370, People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti said that her party has hopes from the Indian Supreme Court that it will do justice. Mehbooba Mufti, in a statement in New Delhi, said, "We have hopes from the Indian Supreme Court that it will do justice."